People have been asking me if Boquete is cheaper than Panama City. But what most people don't realize is that the cost of living in Panama can vary a lot depending on your lifestyle. So today I'm going to show you my real numbers from three different places I've lived in Panama so you can make that determination. If that is something that you want to see or hear, stay tuned because that is coming up next. So here's a quick snapshot of the three different prices that I paid. So as you can see, this is my first apartment. This apartment, we moved to Panama and we wanted something smaller. So this apartment is a one bedroom, one bath apartment. The rent is $900 a month. Electricity averaged around 100 per month, and cable and internet together were about 50 to $75 a month. Now, this is a more upscale two-bedroom apartment in Panama City with full amenities. This apartment is about $1,800 a month. The electricity averages about 250 plus a month. This is total air. So it has great views, major amenities. Cable and internet together was about $75. The cost of food and entertainment was around the same, about $500 a month. Um, in this apartment, we had a car at this time, so we stopped using Uber as much, but we still used Uber. So, like I said, this apartment is upscale, views and all. So this one runs about $1,800 a month. So in Boquete, it's very different from Panama City. Of course, it's a mountain town, so we have a home. This is a two-bedroom home that we're renting, two bathroom, and the cost of rent a month is $1,000. In that $1,000, it includes your internet, cable, trash, water. So the only thing that we're really paying for here is electricity, which will be reduced because this is an area that does not require an air conditioner. So there you have the comparison. So just to highlight, my first apartment, $900 a month, $100 for electric, $50 for cable internet, $500 for entertainment. Panama City apartment, which is an upscale apartment, $1,800 a month, $250 or more for electric, $75 for cable, and $500 for entertainment and Uber sometimes. In Boquete, well, will be living $1,000 for a small home. So very quickly, if we do the math from where I'm staying at today, $1,800 rent to $1,000 rent, electric bill 250 here, potentially 100 where I'll be, $75 here, which is included in my new place. Groceries are about the same. Entertainment and dining out, um, 500 here to I give it 200 there. That's a monthly difference of at least $1,225 with a yearly difference of 14,700. So if you're living on a fixed income, you understand how big a difference that is and how important that change can be. So hopefully you guys will continue to follow me so that you can see how my life changes in a different environment. I hope you. So, if you love city energy, restaurants, and nightlife, Panama City might be worth the extra cost. But if you want peace, nature, and a smaller environment, Boquete might surprise you. Check it out.